Good morning. I am reading the book entitled On the Problem of Empathy by Saint Edith Stein. The philosophical question it addresses is, what is the true description of empathy? In this book on the problem of empathy, answers that empathy lies in an idea that it is more than a perception, representation, or imagination, but sui generis, or a direct but non-original experience of others' experience. The author supports this by first emphasizing empathy, which is an experience of being led to experience the foreign experience or the experience of others. Number two, the constitution of the psychophysical individual, which is the basic conveyor of all experiences, soul and body together. Number three, elaborating the description of the mental person, which entails the soul as a part of nature, is subject to natural causality, while the mind, which is faces the natural world, is subject to a meaning context based on motivation. The argument's strength lies in emphasizing empathy in terms of understanding similar or different types of persons and learn the level of understanding others' experiences. Its weakness lies in how the pure self of consciousness or the pure I is connected to the physical living person or the empirical I, which is essential for understanding how we can truly empathize with others. Still, St. Edith Stein's argument supports my thesis that the role of empathy as a catalyst for a constructive community is neither an idealistic nor imaginative approach, but a practical mode of socialization.